State functions often arise in chemistry. But what is a state function? A state function is a function that depends only on its present state and independent of the pathway, or its past or future. Let's use the classic analogy of hiking on a mountain and focus on two measurements: distance and elevation. Hiker 1 is on the left and hiker 2 is on the right. They both start at the base of the mountain. Clearly, hiker 1 must find a route to avoid the trees. On the other hand, hiker 2 has a direct path with no obstructions. Path 1 is longer than path 2. Measuring distance depends on the path. Distance is not a state function. But notice the elevation is the same for both hikers. Measuring change in elevation is independent of path 1 or path 2. Elevation is a state function. How does this apply in chemistry? In general chemistry, enthalpy, entropy, and Gibbs free energy are all state functions. And, as I'll show you in other lectures, there are different ways to solve for these properties, including experimental techniques, using Hess's law, and using standard enthalpies of formation. Thank you for watching. Check out this playlist for more state function and thermodynamic topics.